Inventory fell this past week to 1,309 homes for sale on the Maryland shore, while 61.2% of these dropped their prices 6.3%. Those homes have been on the market an average of 141 days. It's Friday, November 11, 2022, Veterans Day. Today, we honor those who have served in the military from the first Veterans Day in 1918. Thank you to those who have served to protect our freedoms and those in other countries. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Buyer demand in Wicomico and Cecil counties remain high. Dorchester and Queen Anne's counties are moderate. Worcester and Caroline County are steady. Somerset and Talbot County remain slow, and Kent County is limited. Locally, 135 homes came on the Eastern Shore market over the past week. 62 went under contract, 79 properties went to pending, and 108 properties sold in 26 days at 97.2% list-to-sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was an almost 1,000-acre waterfront compound in Vienna for $8,500,000. Rental inventory rose to 81 homes for lease at $1,795 and on the market for 29 days. We're holding a free homebuyer webinar next Tuesday, November 15th, between 12 noon and 1 p.m., sharing what you need to know now to buy a home and how you can get up to $10,000 to buy a home. Check out the link below for more details. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for November 11th, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.